If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for OPPO Find X9, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So naturally, the most optimized charger or power adapter for OPPO Find X9 will be the one that will be made by OPPO. So if you're looking for the best option, you are definitely looking for a OPPO charger or power adapter, ideally a one that has 80 watts or more. Now, because the battery can use 80 watts at most while charging, this is why we should get 80 watts. However, what is quite important in that case is that we have 80 watts by using UFCS charger. If you use PPS charger, then we have 55 watts, and for the PD charger, we have 11.7 watts instead. So it is quite important to figure out if you are actually trying to get UFCS charger, because it will definitely provide the fastest charging speed for this device. And this is why also OPPO chargers or power adapters will be the best ones. However, if you can find a charger or power adapter that has at least 80 watts made by other well-known brand that uses UFCS, then in that case you can go for it as well. They should be working just fine, and they will provide probably a pretty much fast charging speed, just like the original OPPO charger. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.